The right grill can take your outdoor meals to the next level. Let's explore different types of grills to get you cooking in no time. Gas grills run on propane or natural gas. They make outdoor cooking quick and convenient because they're easy to light and have great temperature control. Look for extra features like prep shelves, warming racks, or wireless temperature monitoring. Flat-top grills have a flat cooking surface instead of grates. They give you even heat without the potential for flare-ups and make cleanup easy. They're perfect for things like pancakes and bacon, stir-fry, and grilled sandwiches. Charcoal grills deliver a classic smoky flavor and are available in a range of sizes, from small models to large grill smoker combos. Look for features like temperature gauges and air vents to help you control the heat. Pellet grills can do the job of both a grill and a smoker. They use electricity and special pellets made of compressed sawdust. Pellet grills provide consistent, even heat for a variety of dishes. Electric grills let you plug in and start cooking fast. They deliver steady heat with no open flames and are a great option for apartments and patios that can't accommodate a charcoal or gas grill. Ready to get grilling? Head to Lowe's to explore more choices and accessories.